We all even get text messages, phone calls that are, I mean,
They're so real.
you think,
Like
oh, is this real? And then you think, no, like, let's slow down, let's process, think through it.
Let's look at this message and see if it's real, if
Yep.
it's authentic or not. Okay, it is 5:16. Scott, the weather is certainly authentic this morning.
Yeah.
This morning in Frisco, it was a little bit windier, as I was telling you,
Yeah.
than usual. I think that's what made it feel a little bit cooler than yesterday.
Absolutely. You know, and our temperatures are on the low to the mid-50s, but that wind will kind of bite through you a little bit this morning. I do want to give you your weekend forecast and the BMW Dallas Marathon Festival. Say that 3 times fast. We have 60 degrees for today, cloudy conditions, some patchy drizzle developing at that 20% chance. Tomorrow morning showers, maybe an isolated storm around, but then the clouds clear from west to east. We make it to 71 for your afternoon temperature. Sunday, more cloud cover increasing, drizzle developing again, still mild at 73 degrees before then a stronger front moving through on Monday. And with that in mind, we have a first alert weather day on Monday for showers and storms. I don't anticipate any severe weather, but it's something I'm keeping my eyes on. And you can see on the first alert 7-day forecast, we're still mild on Monday as that cloud cover will clear out late in the day. So 80% coverage for us. Then by the time we go into Tuesday, cooling back down into the low 60s. So let's walk you through this a little bit more. As far as the rain is concerned, you can see on Sunday more coverage, the drizzle to some light rain showers developing. Going into the evening hours, that tapers off a bit. However, we see the coverage increase again overnight as the upper level lift and the surface front is approaching North Texas. By the time we go to about 4 or 5 o'clock, we could hear some rumbles of thunder for the morning drive. Some of the area roadways are going to be a bit wet. So first alerting you to the fact that you need to leave extra early on Monday because we know wet roads, accidents, it all happens for us here in North Texas when it rains. Cold front continues to make its way to the southeast, 9, 10, about by the time we get to about 3 or 4, exiting the southeast sides of North Texas. And then we see those clouds clear out going into Monday night. Hey, take a look at Sundance Square. The lights are fixed on the tree. It's a beautiful tree. We all love seeing it during this time of the year. Our temperature is 52 right now in Fort Worth. A southeast wind at 13. As Carmen was mentioning, that breeze is out there, kind of just greeting you a bit. We take a look at the first alert satellite and radar combined. The cloud cover is in place. I'm not noticing any drizzle right now across parts of the Metroplex, but I expect that to increase in coverage as we go through the late morning hours. 52 the current temperature right now at DFW. Southeast winds at 10 to 15. That's the same story across the majority of North Texas in the low 50s for us. With that in mind, temperatures across the Metroplex 10 to almost 16 degrees warmer than this time yesterday. So through your morning hours, we'll be in the low 50s, about 53 to 54 by 10. And then you saw the first alert 7-day forecast showing our high today reaching 60 degrees and then mild for us. But then by the time we go to next Wednesday, another front moves through, cools us down to a morning temperature of 34. Carmen, you'll definitely feel that when you step out.